18 na ako pero feeling ko bata pa rin ako. Kasi pero soon magiging responsible. Responsible naman ako, hindi lang halata. And then, para mas feel ko na yung real life. Parang ramdam ko na, ganito pala maging adult. Iba, bakit namin ako? Init.
From the way you smile to the way you look, you capture me unlike no other. From the first hello, yeah, that's all it took. And suddenly we had each other, and I won't leave you. Always be true. 1 + 1, 2 for life. Over and over again. So don't ever think I need more. I've got the one to live for. No one else will do. And I'm telling you, just put your heart in my hands. I promise it won't get broken. We'll never forget this moment. Yeah, we'll stay brand new, 'cause I'll love you over and over again. Over and over again.
Happy birthday, Jaja. Alam mo, hindi ako showy na tao, pero asa ko mo, Jaja, alam mo yun, mahal kita. Continue to grow up. Keep always do your best.
Jasmine!
Jaja.
Jasmine na lang.
Jaja, sabi.
Jasmine.
Jasmine.
Jasmine. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Jasmine, happy 18th birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday.
The future me I haven't met. There's some things you might regret, like giving up on love too fast, chasing shadows from your past. Future me I haven't met. There's gonna be some pain. It's good to feel something. Right now I'm already who I wanna be tomorrow. Who I wanna be tomorrow is who I am. Right now I'm already who I wanna be tomorrow. Who I wanna be tomorrow is who I am. Right now.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Kuya. Sa lahat, sa mga effort nyo, na-appreciate ko lahat. Yung simple effort, yung mga stress ni Mama, pati yung buhok na madami na. Si Daddy, yung lahat ng mga hard works niya, kahit yung, ayun, masaya. Masaya. Sabi ko niya kaya. Kung iyak.
There's gonna be some pain. It's good to feel something. Right now I'm already who I wanna be tomorrow. Who I wanna be tomorrow is who I am. Right now I'm already who I wanna be tomorrow. Who I wanna be tomorrow is who I am. Right now. Right now. Right now.
Makulit ka daw!
Okay. Hindi ako nakahanda sa naway progresibo ang iyong buhay. Ang pag-iisip mo, ang spiritual.
Hindi nakakatulog yan hanggat hindi niya naamoy ang kilikili ko.
I'm already who I wanna be tomorrow. Who I wanna be tomorrow.
Ano naman ang aking pagubilin sa'yo, di ba? No boyfriend muna, ha? Bawal mo na mag-boyfriend hanggang hindi ka nakakatapos na pag-aaral at hindi stable ang iyong kabuhayan.
Thank you.
I love you, anak ko. Happy birthday!
And of course, family din niya. And of course, at hindi yung close friends mo, friends, lahat na nandito.
You wouldn't forget the feeling of being young. Like, you're very creative, you're very imaginative. Sana manatili yun sa'yo. Through the years. Kasi alam ko, doon ka magiging successful. Yun, I love you so much!
I saw lights at the end of the road, but the road keeps on turning.
From the start, alam mo naman, ikaw masyado tayong close dalawa. Ikaw ang aking best friend, ang aking strict mom, actually. Mas mami pa nga siya kaysa sa akin eh. Kung magpayo sa akin yan, naku, masyadong daig pang nanay ko kung magpayo yan. Pero, makulit ang anak kong yan, pero sobrang sweet naman siya. As in, hanggang ngayon katabi ko pa siya sa pagtulog.
Jaja, happy birthday. Ito na yung unang araw ng panibagong yugto ng iyong buhay. You're not a kid anymore. Ganap ka ng dalaga.
Hey, Ben. Happy birthday! Talaga ako nakabantay para sa kanila. Happy birthday!
Swerte ko sa kanila, sa pamilya ko, kahit hindi man lang kami perfect na family. Hindi naman ako, hindi naman kasi, snitch ko to eh. Hindi man lang kami perfect na family, pero yung bonding namin, yung paniniwala namin kay God na hindi, kaya namin to, dun talaga kami nag-stay.
When I get chills at night, I feel it deep inside. Without you, yeah. Know how to satisfy, keeping the tempo right. Without you, yeah. Pictures in my mind on replay. I'm gonna touch the pain away. I know how to scream my own name, scream my name. I love me, gonna love myself, no I don't need anybody else. Hey, gonna love myself, no I don't need anybody else. Can't love myself, no I don't need anybody else. Anytime, day or night. I love me, gonna love myself, no I don't need
Hindi
anybody
nilang nalalaman, siya yung pinaka-best friend ko. Para na lang kami magkapatid ngayon. Kasi talagang lahat ng sikreto niya at sikreto ko, alam namin dalawa. Huwag kang maingay, ha? Hindi. Joke lang yun. May pagkalukaret to, pero alam nyo, ayun. So, agree lahat ng mga friends, di ba? Alam nila ang galing ni Jasmine. Pero yun, inanong ko sa kanya na matapos niya muna ang pag-aaral niya, alam naman yung usapan namin. Lagi kami nag-uusap niyan. Tapos muna ang pag-aaral. Kasi ang love life, di ba? Madali lang yan eh. Madali lang yung love life. Kailangan may goal siya. Yun ang lagi ko sinasabi sa kanya. Na kailangan makatapos ng pag-aaral, tapos maging stable sa buhay bago ang love life. Pero hindi ko naman sabi ko
ko naman sa kanya, hindi ko naman siya pipigilan kung sino gusto niyang mahalin. Kung sino ang kanyang ano. Pero syempre, kailangan pumili din naman siya, di ba? Hindi naman, basta yung mamahalin siya at mamahalin din niya. At saka, pero malayo pa ang kasala, wala pang usapang kasalan to. Ayun lang.